kind of boogie blues riff, but heavy, you know, distorted with a lot of punch, but ultimately it's kind of a funky little groove, and that's one of my favorite things about Slash are the riffs are very funky, but like with, you know, a lot of gain and distortion. So the riff goes like this: O2, and this is kind of revolving around a kind of F sharp blues kind of thing. So it's O2 on the E string. Then we're going to hammer on the A string from 0 to the 1. Now there's some tricks. There's some tricks in there. Check that out. B do do da, B do do do. So it comes back down to that, then open, and we're going da 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 da. You got to get some meat of your right palm. You got to get some of that palm muting in there, which adds really nice texture as opposed to just playing it all open. But you got to get the riff down first, then focus on your palm muting if you can't do that yet. Let's just start with the box of the D minor pentatonic. And there's also going to be the D harmonic minor scale used as well. And Slash loves that in the Sweet Child of Mine solo as well. So it's one of his little trademarks when he gets fancy. So we're going to be on the 10th fret. And we go B to high E. And then to 13 on the high E. Then 12. Then the root. So the first phrase. Then back to 13. So watch. Then root again. Twelve again. That note, and then we have to go like this. 11, 13, 10 on the B. Oops. So let's try that whole first phrase. I don't know if he was, you can do this in a lot of different spots, but I'm going to try and stay in our position here. So we're going to take our middle finger, we're going to put it on the 12th fret of the G, and this is actually a diminished arpeggio is what this is called, and it comes from the D harmonic minor scale. So we go 12, 11 to 14 on the B. To 12 on the high E. Look at that again. Then the next time it starts the same way. And then you just gotta go, which is the root, or you could go, and that's 14 on the B, or you could go to the 10 on the high E. It's the same note. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit the open E, and then we're going to hammer on, just with one pick, the 3 and the 5. we're going to go to the 3rd fret of the A string, back to the 5th fret. So we're just in this like A minor pentatonic scale. So we've got, and after you've done that, we're going to pick this low E again, and then we're going to go kind of the opposite. We're going to pull off from the 5 to the 3 to the 0. So when we put that all together nice and slow, it looks like this. Then we're going to play the 3rd fret on the low E again. So into an A power chord, which is the open A and then 2 and 2. Now my thumb kind of wraps around just a little bit just to kind of mute it. So let's put all of that together.